Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Hi, I am Shanti. How are
Hi,
you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, so I guess this is our first session together.
No, I had a session with you before before some days.
I guess you were wearing specs that time, right?
Yes.
Now I remember you have two sons, if I'm not wrong.
Yes. You are right. Yes.
Okay, that is great. So, how have you been?
It's nice.
Okay, that is great. Okay, so have you seen any improvement in yourself?
Actually, yes. I'm not practicing much, but I seen some mistakes as more of them are in the tenses. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So now today I'm going to give you a situation and we'll see how you will react to that situation. Okay.
Okay.
So suppose one of your friends is moving to your city. You're from Lucknow, right?
Yes.
So how would you help him or her? I mean,
I will. Um, I will. Which help will be required? I will help him. Uh, I will help to uh, whatever he wants to know about. Then I will if I am able to mm, aware of this term. I will make him know about the area, uh, about the convenience, and um, about the where he can stay, what he can take, what he whether he wants to whatever he wants to know. I will give him the suggestions what I know.
so would you take her or him out for eating? Where would you take her? Like, what are the good places to hang out in Lucknow, to have food in Lucknow?
So first of all, my priority is if he will if he or she will able to come, then I will take with my at my home. Then it is good for him and her or her. And after, if I want to visit anywhere, any restaurant, then I will prefer. It depends whether he wants to eat non-veg, veg, then uh, I will I will prefer according to their taste what they want to take. And there are some restaurants as the Jaika Darbar and barbecue. Many restaurants are there, then I can visit with my friends.
Okay. So, okay, tell me, where will you take him to sightseeing? Like, there are many places
Right.
in Lucknow, I guess. Yeah.
Yes. First of all, I will visit with my friends. There are zoo, and I will yes now I will visit a zoo with my friends, and then I will visit um, Janeshwar Mr. Park and Ambedkar Park, riverfront in night, and Padai Mambara. There are lots of places then I will visit with my I want to visit with my friends.
Okay, so what about shopping destination? Where will you take him or
Shopping.
her to shopping? Yeah.
Yes, I will take him for shopping. For some malls are there as Fun Web and um, Fun Web, and I can also shop with my friend at Bhutnath Market, Chalk Market. These are the shopping places where we can shop.
Okay, okay. Any other place that you would like him or her to see in Lucknow? Like you are living, how long have you been living there?
Actually, I'm not living for many years. I am regularly I'm living here for only 3 or 4 years. Otherwise, I came here for time to time. But I am shifting here by 3 or 4 years ago.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, so any other places that you would want him or her to know that are in Lucknow?
Actually, I myself is not know many more about Lucknow, but what I know, then I will make my friend aware about that places and make them to make him to visit these places which I know.
Okay, so since you are living in Lucknow for the last 3 to 4 years only, so where are you from originally?
Actually, I am originally from Devariya district. Do you know about Devariya?
No, I
It
haven't
is
heard
in
of it.
Gorakhpur. Yes, it is in Gorakhpur city.
Okay, I have
Gorakhpur
heard of.
district. Yes. So,
Yeah.
so I yes before Lucknow I was living there in Devariya, and for some time to we had to we are living at Maharajganj district also, because there my husband was working there for mm, and after his transfer we are shifting Lucknow.
Okay, so what type of job does your husband do?
Actually, he is a teacher in basic education.
Physical education, as in a government school.
Yes, in a government school.
Okay, that is great. So, do you do anything like other than being a housewife? Do you work?
Actually, no, currently I am not working, but I am preparing for the examination, teaching examinations.
Yeah, I remember now. Yeah, you told me that the last time. So, how are your preparations going on?
It's running now. Good. It's good. I'm preparing.
So, when will you have your exam? Like, when will?
Actually, one exam will be on 11th April,
Okay.
which which I'm preparing for. Yes. So that I'm little bit busy about in my examination preparation. So I am not very much concentrating on my speaking. So I'm not practicing a lot these days.
No, but I can see that you have, I guess, improved a little because I cannot, like, not every sentence is grammatically incorrect. Not every sentence has a tense mistake which you are speaking. So I guess there is some improvement. I don't know. Rest, how are you doing? But what do you do usually for your English speaking improvements?
Actually, I'm not doing something I told you that, but I'm studying actually, studying grammar and literature also. So I think, and some vocab parts also needed in for my examination. So I am reading all these books.
If you will be interested to tell me what kind of literature are you studying?
Actually, I am English literature about the English writers and their works, their lives and their works are what about their writing, and what is the scenario of the that age, in which age they are written the works, their works. What about they are written. These are the literature I guess.
So I guess since you are reading a lot of stuff in English, that would help you kind of grab uh, a knowledge of the grammar, the basic grammatical concepts,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes. Actually, I am practicing also grammar, but I am what to say. I'm not focusing on speaking. So it is very necessary to improve our communication skills. So I'm not very. I have not lot of time for speaking. Speaking, I can say for practicing. Only I am focusing on my written works. So it is.
So I guess the time that you're putting on your written English is going to help you in future for your speaking skills as well.
Actually, once yes, yes. Actually, once my examination will be done, then I will uh, start again for uh, speaking. I will focus on my speaking also.
How long have you subscribed with Lapingo? I mean, for how many months?
I am subscribing for 1 month. I have
Okay,
subscribed for 1 month. Yes.
okay, okay, okay. Okay, so what if I exactly tell you where you lack in tenses?
Yes.
That be helpful?
Yes. Yes. Welcome.
Is that your son?
What are you? I'm not getting you correctly.
I'm saying, is that your son behind you?
Yes, she is my daughter. Yes.
Okay.
Come here.
What's her
Say
name?
hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
How are you? Hello. बोलने तो क्या पता रहा फाइन बोलो फाइन फोन पे क्या पता भैया के पास हम डाले बबुआ उधर मैं जाने डाले जाइए
How old is she?
she is 4 years old.
So it must be very difficult for you to manage your house, to manage your kids, and also study alongside, right?
Yes, that's why I'm not concentrating one thing particularly. I have a lot of things to do in one day. So I have to do I have to study English and other subjects also, and I have to practice the English also, and I have to take care all the stuff household work.
Okay, all the best. I hope you clear your exam in the first attempt
Thank
itself. Yeah, I
thank
would like
you.
to where you did where you did say wrong sentences. So
Yes,
you
yes,
said yes. You said we are living at Maharashtra when you were talking about your husband's transfer. Okay.
yes.
Yes, you should have said we were living in Maharashtra when my husband was transferred there. Okay, say how, say this that you were, I mean, tell me when you were transferred to Lucknow. Tell me about that. Like, say a sentence for that.
Actually, we were living in Maharajganj, and when my transfer when my husband has get transferred here, Lucknow, then we have shifted here.
Yeah, so you should have said when my husband got transferred in Lucknow, okay, we shifted here because you are talking in the past tense. Okay, and I
Okay.
saw that you are a little bit confused with the use of has, have, and had.
Yes.
Yeah, like when I asked you how for how long have you subscribed, you said I am subscribed. Like you should have said I have subscribed for 1 hour. Okay, and when
Okay.
you were telling me about the literature, like the works that you are reading of the writers, you said they are written. Well, they either you should have
Had.
said they have written, yeah, or they wrote something like that. Okay, so yeah, little bit confusion between the past tense and the
Yes. Yes.
present tense
Yes. Yes. Yes.
and use of
So one
present.
thing I want to ask, can I use means to say I can use had and one sentence, if I have to say, can I use perfect tense and can I use simple past also add for the sentence? What is the
Depends how you are saying the sentence. Like if you are saying that I worked here, okay, this is one way to say. You can say it, I used to work here, मैं यहाँ काम किया करती थी, and I have had worked here. Yeah,
I
okay.
have
So
had one?
yeah, I have had the experience of doing this.
Okay.
Okay, these are some different ways of saying a sentence. Like in Hindi, we can say a sentence in many different ways, right? And each way will require different types of words to be used in a sentence. So you have to think in what way you are saying the sentence and then use the appropriate verb according to that. Okay,
Yes,
most
yes.
importantly, the helping verb part. Yeah, if that is correct, the sentence seems almost correct. Okay, so
Okay.
the time is up. I'll take your leave.
Okay.
It's always good to have
Okay.
a
Thank.
conversation with you. Thank you. Take care.
Okay. Thank you. Nice to talk to you.
Take care. Bye.